how to change the touch and hold delay time direction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's a click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibilities. Here's a click on accessibility. Now here's so click on interaction and dexterity. So after click on interaction and dexterity, so click on touch and hold delay. So after click on touch and hold delay, so click on set touch and hold delay. So if you want to change touch and hold delay time direction, so you will see change time direction from here. Very short 0.3 second, short 0.5 seconds, medium 1 second, long 1.5 seconds, and click on custom. So after click on custom, and you will set time from here. After set time, you will see just press and hold. So you will select time and click on save. So after click on save, after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change the touch and hold delay time direction on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.